We are gonna start with the Young Scientist Club Adventure Packs.
And I love these. So you have space, I have nature, there's also a dinosaur one. So let's start opening these up as we talk about what's inside. STEAM is science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and that A in the middle is for art.
Right. And the idea is like books teach your kids literacy.
Right.
But they really can learn like science concepts through playing.
When you're in a classroom, a lot of these subjects are really tough for the kids. We put it into something that the kids are gonna play with and do at home. It just becomes fun, and that learning, they become little sponges.
Yeah.
So, all right, so I have my nature kit. I'm already excited because I see that I have a way to catch butterflies and bugs.
Nice.
Each one of these kits has this beautiful poster. It's got activities. This tells me all about how to identify
the bugs that you
bugs
catch.
and the butterflies. And I actually love the bugs too, the caterpillars, the bees, as long as I don't get stung.
I'm a little bit of an astrology nerd, so I am excited about my constellation charts.
These are all these nature cards, and in these cards we learn about bison, a deer mouse.
I didn't know about a deer
And
mouse.
then there's information on them. So really a lot of fun things for the kids to learn. We also have this cool strap on here, and I believe
to
it's
make
to
it a
turn this
backpack.
into a backpack. So kids can
Cute.
take this along anywhere they go.
I have a chart that's showing me the life cycle of a star,
Wow.
because this kit comes with clay for you to mold the planets and then put them in order.
And this one comes with a full nature activity guide. So we're gonna get our kids outside, searching for those butterflies and those bugs. All of these stickers.
Right, that's what makes them a best
Scavenger
toy.
hunt,
Oh, the stickers are
anatomy
great.
of bees, how they pollinate.
Cool.
Yeah.
This has the phases of the moon, from full moon to new moon.
And this is our little insect home when we catch them. So certainly enough stuff in here to keep our kids busy,
Yes.
learning, and having a lot of fun while they're doing it.
So this Crayola paper butterfly set,
The only thing we need to add to this is water, which we have right
Okay.
here. Okay, so we're gonna open our boxes.
you're gonna help me through this because I haven't actually colored any of them
Yep.
yet.
This is what we're going to put our butterflies in
I
so that
see.
they can grab the color.
And then dry. Okay.
And then of course we have our wings. So
Oh, these are the
let's-
wings.
Yeah,
in that
so
one.
in here, we're going to find lots of fun things. We have the body of the butterfly. We have these little wicks. And of course, we have our different colors. You're gonna start by carefully punching out all of these beautiful butterfly wings.
What did you just do?
So, you're going to find these little pegs,
Okay.
okay? And butterfly bodies, and then grab a set of wings.
Okay.
So put the wings on top, the body behind it, put the peg through.
Like that?
Yep. Now put
And then
the-
a wing.
Put a set of wings on.
There are different wings, which
Yes,
is worth
there are.
knowing. There's different butterfly shapes. Okay, peg
Take one
through
of the peg
wing,
through the wings, put it into the body.
into the body.
Now pick up one of these
Wicks.
wicks and put it nice and tight in here. We're going to put them in these holders down here.
Are we ready to add color to our butterflies?
Yes. Now what we're going to do is we're
That's
going
great.
to put 20 drops of color. Now you can use your color guide if you want to mix colors, or you could just pick one color, and then we're going to add some water. So start with your color, and it's going to go right in the well in the bottom.
Okay. So that was 20 altogether.
Now just fill this up with water. What you can see on mine already is that the wick
Oh, wow, that went fast.
is changing color. So while this is working, let's make our second one. And now is, the waiting period. So this color will continue to spread. I can see look at your wick. So the wick has already soaked up the color, and now it's starting to spread on my butterfly. The color by itself will get a little bit deeper at the edges, which makes it really pretty, but you can also enhance it by using the marker. So you can do designs on it, or you can just sort of color the ends in.
So yeah, these beautiful paper butterflies are a best toy for both the price and the length of time a kid can play with them.
And the fact that they're learning.
They learn so much from it.
Yeah, we both love this one, right?
It's a great one.
Great one.
All right, now we're leaning even more into art for our STEAM toys.
We are. And I love all Melissa and Doug.
Yes.
This is their tabletop art center. And of course, we have some pals on this one.
Yeah,
we have our Paw Patrol pals, which kids love.
Yes.
So what's really cool about this is on this side we have our whiteboard.
Yes.
So kids can color and erase.
And it's also a magnet.
And it's also a magnetic board.
And you get all these magnets.
All of these
so many magnets. Actually, just magnet play is fun for the really little ones, right?
Yes. Because you can use your favorite characters, your favorite vehicles, draw the story, and kids have great imaginations and really just, go away with it. When they're done, the magnet or the marker, just dry erase it.
You can erase it. There's also a roll of paper back here.
There's a roll of 50 feet of paper back
That's a lot of
here.
paper.
It's a lot of paper.
So this is your drawing paper. I'm just gonna cut off a sheet.
Yep. So
you could make your drawing.
Draw on here as well.
And then we can tape it up with the magnet.
And then what I also love is this.
What's that?
So this is so if kids want to start drawing circles, it's a magnet, but they can choose where their marker's gonna go.
Wait, I want to see that work.
Isn't that
is
cool?
wild. I've never seen that before. Maybe I have to,
Look at that perfect circle, and we can make a smaller one.
Very cool.
Ta-da!
And then I'm gonna put Chase right in the middle because he's the best.
Look at that. So now let me show you what's on the other side.
All right.
This folds up, and of course this is great storage for your markers,
Your
for
magnets.
anything that you're using on here. Fold this up,
Your supplies from home too.
flip it,
Oh, look how easily that flipped.
and now we have our chalkboard. And we can put our pals right over here. It does come with
Chalk.
and our eraser will work on both sides. Just so beautifully built. So much fun.
5 colors.
And it's just one of these things that the kids are gonna sit here, they're gonna doodle, they're gonna draw, they're gonna create stories. It's a great place also to practice homework. So if you're working on your math skills, there's nothing, more empowering sometimes than doing it on the chalkboard and feeling like you're the teacher.
Very nice, and it does just fold down and come off your table.
Yep.
But you can put it
So
on
easy
your
to
dining room
store.
table, on your kitchen table. It's not an easel that takes up a lot of space in your house.
Right. I love that it's tabletop.
Very nice. Hopefully we've given you some STEM toy inspiration for the holidays.
Yes, lots of fun, brand new things that are gonna keep the kids learning and happy.